Hi everyone, I am Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to discuss about the second kind of noun, that is known as the abstract noun. And what abstract noun is, we will be discussing it, and they are formed as I told you, they do not have the kinds, but they are formed from verbs, from adjective and from concrete nouns. So let's start the topic today. Definition of abstract noun is those nouns neither we see nor we touch, only feel and observe are called abstract nouns. See, those nouns neither we see, we cannot see them, nor we touch, and we cannot touch them. Only we feel them and observe them are called which nouns? Abstract nouns. So those nouns neither we see nor we touch, only feel and observe. This world is of thinking and imagination. Got it? And we will be discussing about those nouns neither we see nor we touch, only feel and observe. Now we have got the another definition for it, that is known as an abstract noun is the name of an action, state or quality. It can also be name of an action, a state and a quality. So it is not only a noun which we cannot see and touch, and you can say that it is the name of an action, state or a quality. If you remember in previous slide I told you they are made from verbs. If they are made from verbs, so they are name of actions, and if they are made from concrete nouns, concrete noun which we have already discussed in previous lectures, if they are made from concrete nouns, then they are they are the name of states, and if they are made from adjectives, then they are the name of quality. Clear? So an abstract noun is the name of an action, state and a quality. Next we will be discussing about it, examples. First one, we have got name of an action. Now see, abstract noun is the name of an action, like it is taken from the verb collect. Clear? It is a verb which is taken from the verb collect, collection. Now collection is the name of only that action, so only name of that action is known as abstract noun. Now for example, if someone is collecting the cards, I say, do the collection fast. Now collection is the name of that action, you can observe it. Or if some teacher, when takes the paper, so he takes it from everyone individually when the time ends. Clear? So that is what he is doing, the action of collecting. So what there we say that his collection is quite fast. So this is what you are observing it, that he is doing that. Neither you see it nor you touch it, only it is felt and observed. And definitely these are the name of actions, so these can be only observed. Admiration, it can be sorry, it is the next one, admission. Now see, admission is what it is taken from the word admit. Admit means to enter, and admission is the name of that action. Clear? For example, I say he is taking admission. Now admission is what, that is a sort of action which is being done by him. Clear? That is observed only. And in the same way, admiration, when you are admiring someone, I say, suppose uh, he is admiration, everyone can judge that he is buttering. Clear? Admiration is the name of admiring someone. Clear? That is the name of an action, so it is taken from the word verb. So it is taken from the word admire, it is taken from the verb admit, and it is taken from the word collect. From collect, collection is made. From admission, admission is made. Admit, admission is made. And from admiration, from admire, the word admiration is made. Next we have got name of a state. If it is name of a state, then they are made from which nouns? From concrete nouns. Clear? And what is concrete noun? Those nouns which we can see and touch. Clear? And abstract noun which we cannot see. Now see, it is taken from the word king. King is a concrete noun which we can see and touch, and after that it is a concrete animate noun which can grow, breathe and move, and after that it is a common noun, any king. So this is what from king it is made kingdom. In an entire world you can observe the kingdom of Allah Almighty, the God. So this is what kingdom is what you could say observed and neither seen nor touched. And see, neighborhood is taken from the word neighbor. Neighbor is your concrete noun, From neighbor, you have made the neighborhood. This is what neighborhood. Neighborhood is the sort of relation with your neighbor, that is known as neighborhood. Slavery. Slave is one, you can see him, he is spending a life where he cannot do anything. And slavery is the name of that state. You could say, I can see a slavery which is totally injustice with him. So this is what slavery is the name of that state, etc, etc. And in the same way, last we have got name of a quality. It can be name of a quality. See, brave is a quality. If you put bravery, then it is the name of that quality. I see we find lot of bravery in the Turkish president Tayyip Rajab Erdogan. Clear? That is what it is. Bravery is being observed. And after that, honest, with the word honest, honesty is made. Honest is the quality, like I say, he is an honest person. I like is honesty. Honesty is the name of that quality which is being observed and felt, that which sort of person he is. In the same way, beautiful, that is a quality you can see in anything. And if I say beauty, we like the beauty of Koita. This is what beauty is the name of that quality which is present in any city. It could be used for many things else also, you can use it. This is what an abstract noun is, the name of an action. When it is the name of an action, keep in your mind they are made from verbs. When it is the name of a state, it is made from concrete nouns. And when it is the name of a quality, then keep in your mind they are made from adjectives. One note, we will be discussing about abstract nouns. See, name of arts and sciences are also called abstract nouns. Whatever the subjects we have, whether they are from art subject or from the science subjects, are also called abstract nouns. Clear? Like, see, Islamiyat. Now over there, see, Islamiyat we have not seen. It is of which shape and size. When you just talk about any religion, like we talk about Islamiyat, that study of Islam is called Islamiyat. In the same way, political science, this is what you have never seen this. This is the name of subject. Automatically your mind clicks that a subject where we learn about politics, we learn about the state, we learn about the entire government, parliament. These all things, when you are discussing, that is called uh, political science. Chemistry, we talk about how to resolve a matter. Clear? That is known as about chemistry. In the same way, physics, we talk about matter and energy. Biology, we talk about living organisms, and they've got then several kinds. So this is what name of arts and sciences are also called. Which nouns? Abstract nouns. So an abstract noun is a noun which neither we see nor we touch, only feel and observe it. And an abstract noun is name of an action, state, or quality. And after that, we talked about the examples. And note, now some of the formation we will be discussing the next topic. Clear? Formation of abstract nouns. This is the last topic which we are going to discuss for today's lecture. Formation of abstract noun. How will you form the abstract nouns? Clear? Abstract nouns can be formed with the help of verbs. Clear? With the help of concrete nouns and with the help of adjectives. And I told you what is verb, which shows an action. Concrete noun, name of person whom you can name of person, place, or thing, or you could say those nouns which we can see and touch. And an adjective is the name of a quality, so you can make them from the actions, from the states, and from the qualities. Clear? Now examples we will look. See, from act, act is an action. From that you make the word action. Clear? Act, action. Act is the verb, action is the name of that action. Collect is the verb and collection is the name of that action. Got it? And after that we have got admire is the verb, admiration is the name of that action. In the same way, accuse, verb, and accusation is the name of an action. Admit is the verb, admission is the name of that action. And behave is the verb, behavior is the name of that action. And explain is the verb, explanation is the verb for that name of that action. Choose is the verb, and choice is the name of that action. Agree is the verb, agreement is the name of that action. Clear. Now we will be making sentences, you'll get it. He acted well and his action is liked by everyone. I collected some receipts. My collection was quite slow. You admired him, and your admiration made him encourageous. I accused him. My accusation was wrong. I admit the fee. Admission was done. You behaved with him. Your behavior was nice. I explained my lecture. My explanation was extraordinary. You chose a topic. Your choice was wrong. I agree with you, and we must have an agreement. Clear. This is what you can use them in this sense. So this is what, with the help of verbs, you can make it. Next, formed from concrete nouns, which you can see, like from enemy. Enemy is the name of a person. Enmity is the name of that quality. Clear. Mad is the name of that state. Mad is the that person, and madness is name of that is a state. Neighbor is the uh, one who is wall to wall, and you are near to him, house to house, that is known as neighbor, and your relation with it is known as neighborhood. Clear. And slave is the uh, person. Slavery is symbol or sign. Thief is the person. Theft is the name of that state. King is the person. Kingdom is the name of that that state. Member is the person or a part of any uh, department or any team or any gathering. Membership is the name of that action, that person. Honor is the person. Ownership is the name of that state. Young is the person. Youth is the state of young. Clear. So this is what, how we will be making sentences, then it will be clear. You have many enemies. Enmity is a vast symbol in the world. Mad disturbs everyone. Okay, you are mad and your madness cannot be tolerated by anyone. I have got a lot of neighbors. We have a great neighborhood with them. We are slaves and our slavery is not seen by anyone in all over the world. Thief. He is a thief, and uh, being theft is not a good sign. We have a king, Imran Khan, and his kingdom has made all of us fed up from the country. Member. I say you are the member of my team and your membership is accepted. Honor. I say you are the honor of academy and your ownership is up to the mark. He is young and his youth is being destroyed by the one who has killed him. And in the same way, formation of adjectives. Now see, formation from adjectives. How will you form them from adjectives? The abstract noun. Able is the quality, and ability is the name of that quality. Brave is the quality. Bravery is the name of that quality. In the same way, beautiful is the quality. Beauty is the name of that quality. Careful is the quality. Care is the name of that quality. Deep is the quality. Depth is the name of that quality. And in the same way, great is the quality. Greatness is the name of that quality. Criminal is the quality, and crime is the name of that quality. Happy is the quality. Adjective means that is the name of quality. Bad is the quality. Badness is the quality of an adjective. Clear. Name of that quality. Now I say he is an able person and I like his ability. You are a brave person and your bravery is seen by everyone. It is a beautiful place and beauty of it cannot be measured with another city. You must be very careful, and care is good for a person. It is a deep well, its depth cannot be measured. And you are a great personality, your greatness is up to the mark. He is a criminal person and he did lot of crime. I am an happy person, and my happiness is only observed by none. And he is a bad person, his badness is uh, in the top, on top. Clear? So this is what all the adjectives which we discussed, the all concrete nouns which we discussed, and all verbs which we discussed, by which you make the abstract nouns. So you can make them from verbs, you can make them from concrete nouns, and you can make them from adjectives. Hope your concept is clear about the formation of abstract nouns. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.